Aloha everyone. In this video, we're going to take a quick tour of one of my brand new listings here on Maui. It's a true affordable hidden gem, and best of all, it's a less than 5-minute walk from this beautiful beach in central Kihei. Let's go take a look. The property is in the Villas at Kenalio community, located on Maui's south side. Not only is the property easy walking distance to the beach, it's also located right next to the new Hilton Grand Vacations Maui Bay Villas project that's shown in this aerial video. The Villas at Kenalio does not allow short-term rentals, but it does have resort-style amenities, including a saline pool, spa, barbecue area, and fitness center. Amenities like these are rare in properties in this price range. Let's go take a look at my listing, Unit 3D. Starting from the outside, you'll notice that there are 2 parking stalls directly in front of the condo, and there's no stairs to access the unit. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo with 771 interior square foot, and we are currently priced at $674,000, making this one of the nicest affordable 2-bedroom condos you can find on all of Maui. The seller is offering the property fully furnished, with the exception of some of the artwork that was put up for staging. The kitchen is clean and bright and features stainless steel appliances. This unit is ideally positioned within the community. It faces a massive green space on the south side of the development, creating a ton of privacy since you don't have any other buildings in your view plane. Of course, there is a nice outdoor patio space that is completely tiled. Heading back into the unit, I'll also point out that the property does have air conditioning. Each room does have its own individually controlled wall unit. So there's a wall unit that can be controlled in the kitchen and dining room area. There's a separate one in the living room. There's also one in each of the bedrooms. Let's go take a look at the bedrooms. This condo does come with a relatively low HOA fee of $603 per month. The HOA dues do cover most of your utilities, including water, sewer, garbage, basic cable, internet, and the majority of your insurance requirements for the condo. Heading over to the second bedroom now. The second bedroom is currently configured as a combination of a guest bedroom as well as an office. Okay, we'll go take a quick peek at the second bathroom, and I'll also share that there is a washer and dryer in the unit. It's in the hallway between the 2 bedrooms. If you have any more questions about this property, I'll provide a link in the description down below to the listing details. I'll also share a link to all of the listings currently available at the Villas at Kenalio. I really think this community is undervalued at this time, especially when you consider the proximity to the beach and the resort-style amenities when compared to some of the other communities in the area that don't have those features and are actually selling for more. That's it for the video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more relevant real estate content just like this, and we'll see you on the next video. Aloha.